Hi, Pre-K families. I am Debbie Miller. I am a VPI teacher at Maymont Preschool Center. This week we are talking about computation. This is week 3 of RVA at home, and this is day 2. For day 2, you will again need some recycling. I'm using a piece of cardboard from you guys all know these, right? Dino Nuggets. Can't live without them. You'll also need to print out this blank train template that I have down at the end of this actual web page. You can write the numbers on the trains. You can color them. You can let your kids color them. I will say that my 5-year-old did this with it. So, print it and then put it out of sight until you're ready to use it, or they might figure out what they want to do with it. But super easy to make. I just took a line and drew in between the trains, and now I have a computation board game ready to go. For this, it may also be helpful to have a number line. I have some options. You can print out the number cards that I have below. You could use a spinner like from Chutes and Ladders, or you could roll a dice to decide how far you go on the board game. Any pawns will do. Like if you have Monopoly, you could use those. If you don't, you can use anything really. Marshmallows, it doesn't matter. But I would, let your kid pick. So we have a Shopkin here and an LOL surprise baby thing. And I'd like to bring a current 5-year-old. She was a former VPI student at Maymont to play the game with me. And I'm going to see how to, hang on. I'm going to see how to best for you guys to see this. No. All right. I might just hold it, and hold. I'll just this goes, but you guys get the gist. I'm gonna tell you. Do you want to spin for the number, pick for the number cards, or roll the dice? We're gonna pick. Okay, and then are you the LOL? Are you the baby or the violin? You're the baby. All right, I'm gonna hold us both on the train until you go. All right, your turn. What did you pick?
5.
5. All right, now count 5 spaces.
1, 2, 3.
Oh wait, so we tried this earlier. Her initial.
Oh, I got it now.
Yeah, because of the line. When we read, we go top to bottom, left to right. But when we play a board game, sometimes it goes in a funky little windy path. Are you gonna try again? All right, count to 5.
1, 2.
Oh wait. Another good thing to stop and use
1.
Right, because we're starting on the engine, so the first space you could count is 1. Board games take a lot of practice.
Okay.
All right, ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What number is that?
2.
2. I want you to count 2 Legos out, and we'll see at the end who has the most. Okay.
I love the book.
All right, you have 2. All right, let me pick a number.
2. They're supposed to build them.
You can build. Oh, I got a 2. So I'm gonna move my. Oh, you were here, and I'm gonna move my pawn or person. 1, 2. How many did I get?
5.
5. I'm gonna count out 5 Legos. Remember my space.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's okay. We're just playing a computation game. All right. So now you get to pick another number. Only 2 more spaces though. What'd you get?
1. Because I
1.
want that.
Oh, she was picking. Okay, her pawn is gonna move 1. How many do you get to count out now?
1.
Now, how many Legos do you get? Look at this number.
4.
4. All right, count out 4 Legos. I'm gonna hold the board flat while I pick my number, so that I know where we are.
3, 4.
4
Legos.
The number I picked is 4, so I'm gonna take my violin here and I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, I'm right there on the same space with you. I'm gonna count out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right.
That is like too much.
I know. Now you pick another number. There's only one more space left.
I have to look.
Okay.
3.
What's that?
3.
3. So, parents at home, you decide. Matilda, I'm going to let you.
1.
You're at the end of the board. Do I let you get that 1 or no?
No.
No? Okay. All right. I pick again. Let's see if I get the number 1 and then I get 1. Are there no more numbers? All right.
We have to put them all back in.
All right. We're going to put them all back in. I'm going to pick 1. Oh, I got the number 4. And she said that she didn't get to collect that 1 because she didn't land on it exactly.
Okay.
So I'm not going to either. And we're going to count up the amount of Legos that we have.
Okay,
All right, let's count them up. So how many Legos do you have?
1, 2. I'm not sure.
That wasn't a part of the game though.
I just wanted to do one. For my one.
All right, board game's fun. All right, now count them up. How many do you have? I'll let you win the next time. But I win this time.
I got this one.
2. How many do you get? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
1,
8,
2,
9.
3,
So my 2 numbers
4,
that I got to collect on were 5
5,
plus 4.
6,
5
7.
plus 4 equals 9. How many do you have?
7.
7. Is 7 greater than or less than 9? Less than 9. She doesn't know.
I know.
So I win today. Watch out for cheaters. Hey, room 114. We miss you. Matilda misses playing with you on the playground. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye. Is that good
I'm
one?
going to hang out.
Finally, we asked the question, is it art? Can a banana be art? Well, that depends. It might depend on the context. It might depend on how we present it. But once we make that decision, we definitely want to commit. Thanks for joining. Bye.